welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts. In today's video tutorial I'm going to teach you how can you make this pretty and easy bracelet. This one is really easy to wear because I have added magnetic clasp to the end of your bracelet. You can use a lobster lock if you wanted to. It depends on your choice which one you wanted to. So let's start with this video and make this pretty bracelet. The supplies you will need is your jewelry pliers, round nose plier, the presser one, and if you have, you can get the one which makes the loops of eye pins. And the next thing you will need is some of the ball eye pins, nail pins, which had a little ball at the end. You will be needing eye pins, any size you like. You will be needing 6 mm green crystals, some drop shape purple crystals, around 28, more than 28. I have added 7 in each of this part here. If you wanted to make it more chunky, you can add more beads. You will be needing 10 or 12 mm crystals. This is a pure glass crystal, and a magnetic clasp or a lobster lock, depends on your choice, or any fancy locks you can use. First I'm going to take these ball pins and I'm going to make many of these pieces. I'm going to turn this close later on. So I have to make around 28 pieces of those. I'm going to make the pieces first and then we are going to move forward. And this is how you're going to make 28 or more if you wanted to these. So I'll be back once all done. Okay, so all of these are done, as you can see, and now we are going to start with our project. Now what we have to do is we are going to take our eye pin. This is the very first stage of your bracelet. Now it's depend totally that you wanted to start with this part or this part. I'm going to start with this one. So you are going to take your eye pin, you are going to take 6 mm bead, then you will need your 10 or 12 mm bead, whatever you like, whatever the color you like. Then you are going to take another bead of 6 mm. And now what we are going to do is we are going to take our, okay, I was just trying to take my cutter. Now to make a loop, we are going to bend, give a little space, and then cut the rest of the wire. And now we are going to turn and make a loop. So this is how your piece is going to look like. Now open this again and take your eye pin and attach with your very first eye pin, like that, and then close your eye pin. And now into this one we are going to add our 6 mm bead, and then we are going to add 7 of these pieces right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you wanted to make more chunky, you can add more, and then add your 6 mm bead. And now we are going to make another loop. So just bend your wire, cut the rest, and make a simple loop right there. Okay, So this is how you're going to connect the rest of the pieces. Again, the next we are going to add this part. We are going to add another eye pin to our this part here. We are going to make this one, and then we are going to make this one, and go on and on. So I am going to finish this whole line of this work, and then I will meet you guys in a moment. Okay, so now you can see that my work is ready. I have started with this one and ended with this one. It's depend on your hand size, that how loose you want or how tight you want it to be. You can start with this one and ends with this one. It's totally depend on you. And now I'm going to add the magnetic clasp at the end. Now to attach this piece, you can attach this with jump ring, but I really just don't want it to make more space. So just I'm going to open one of these hooks right here. I'm going to slide this in, and we are going to close. Keep it nice and close. And now we are going to attach the other part to this side. Open your hook and then just slide this magnetic clasp through. So this is how your bracelet is going to look like. I have made this one before and this one right now. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you wanted to learn anything related to jewelry making, kindly comment me on the comment box down below. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.